Hey guys, what's up? It's Mooserdo, and this is Deadbolt. One of my friends bought this for me. I really enjoyed playing it, and if you enjoyed it and want to see more, why not subscribe? Yeah, anyways, I'll see you guys later. Enjoy the video. Bye. Another night. I'll just grab this knife. Hey buddy, you doing? They're gonna both go down here. And we're gonna go. Pick up the gun. He died. Don't worry guys, I got this. Woo. I'll keep all of you guys safe. Watch this guy come up here. He's gonna be pop. No. What an idiot. Thought he'd come up here and kill me. Nah. He can't do that. Dead simple. 4 stars. Let's go. Potent Souls game. Let's continue. Oh, you're finally back. I just gave the same voice to everybody. That's pretty cool. The flames roar to life, and a voice speaks out.
Another life well returned.
I don't care, it's what I'm going with here. My candles tell my... The flames never spoken... Wait.
My candles tell me tales. Undead form and blossom. Find their abode and knock, and free them from their jails.
The flames never spoke in prose. Mission unlocked. Intel. Undead are easiest to kill when alone. Undead. The fire licks and sneers.
Undead zombies included must be helped towards the afterlife.
Noisy neighbors, TX1. Kill all the undead. Let's go. Let's check my car. Beep beep. Bro, I am like so good at this game. No. Oh shit. Oh. That could have been bad. What? Bro, what am I supposed to do? Oh shit. Okay. Let's go down. Get out of here. Guys, I have nowhere to go. Somebody please help me. They were all complete dinguses for just lining up and letting me kill them like that. Bang. Let's go talk to the fire. And you can hear my awesome voice again, guys.
The undead begin to crop strange powders from below. Inside the flame, they check their brains and see what it contains.
Large zombies with shotguns. Takes a few shots to the head, bring them down. Oh, I've seen these guys. They suck. They're like poop heads. Powders.
A new drug called Ash. His candles say that it makes you feel like you're alive again. The flames my employer wanted.
Look at this dude's face. Look at him. It's like a friggin' idiot. New high. The zombies are selling some strange drugs. Find out what it is. Well, let's go. Sparkle. Let's get out of here, Scoob. I messed up there, see, because I was gonna hammer him to death. I was gonna be like, it's hammer time, but you know, I forgot to. The most crucial part, which is using the hammer. So let me change to that really quickly and we'll chill up in the fence. Let's kill this guy really quickly. Look at his stupid body falling on the ground. This guy right here. I'm gonna go grab this shotgun really quickly. He's gonna pay the price for looking at me the wrong way. You looking at me the wrong way, buddy? Not anymore. Okay, I think I might have put myself in a corner. That's the problem here. I should have probably used this sawed-off shotgun when I had the chance right here. What an idiot. I wonder if I can, like, run from him, you know? I don't think I can. But I kind of want to try. Go, 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 go. We're going to try and juke him. Juke him. Ooh. 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 You juked him. Oh no. Oh no. He's coming for me. Dude, I'm juking these guys so hard right now. He's gonna walk through this door and I'm just gonna start beating him. Forget. Come on, buddy. What's wrong? You don't want to walk through this simple and obvious door? It's called your demise. Wait for him to walk through. Stupid freaking idiot! Okay, I got the gun. Which means it should all be over now. Sorry guys. Playtime's over. I like how my car almost like revs up while I'm not near it. It's kind of nice to feel wanted. Flamethrower to life. And I see visions inside. The fireplace began to speak.
Less cackles.
Wait.
Less caskets breathe. Burn the ash. Scatter their teeth.
Intel. I see two entrances to the house. The left entrance has less zombies, but the right entrance has more weapons. My choice. New gun. I see visions of Sharon the Ferryman. He may be interested in the souls I have collected for a mutual employer. I should see him at the docks before my next mission. Mission unlocked. Mission unlocked. Sharon lives at the docks. I can exchange souls for weapons before I accept this mission. Okay. Walk downstairs. Hey buddy, how you doing? There's got to be something here for like 50, right? Buddy, you can give me a little. I'm a little bit low on cash right now. Please. You got to give me this one, please. Please, man, he's like, he towers over me. Like, look at me. Look at him. That's crazy. I don't know why that's crazy, but I guess it is. Look at his teeth, bro. What's up with his hair? Yes. Well, I remember this one being a pain in the ass. But I like how I just said that while I just flew up that guy's butt. I'm thinking I can get the drop on this dude right here, but I might not be able to. So I think I'm going like this. Wow. Okay, so that did not work at all. Damn. Okay, I think he's gonna come up here and I'm gonna be able to beat his. We're gonna wait for him right here. This is how we wait. He's gonna go upstairs eventually. And when he does, it's gonna be the worst decision of his life. Go right to the stairs, buddy. What a freaking idiot. God. That's what you get for not going up the stairs. Just... Let's grab this gun. And then just wait for him to... Don't mind the bullet, guys. Nothing intense is happening. Dude, this music though. Damn. He's gonna open that door and he's gonna instantly regret it. What did I tell him? What did I tell him? How many times did I tell him? Did I get it? Yes. Let's go. Let's destroy all these. Let's go do a quick run through here. That took way too long just to do. What? Why am I? No. I'm trying to set these on. I fell into a burning fire. Bah. I scared you. You know what it was? It was the haircut. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you want to see more, let me know in the comments, or subscribe, or like the video. I don't know, guys. Anyways, I will see all of you guys in the next video. Mooserdo out.